Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete account in Amazon Chime. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to delete your account in Amazon Chime, all you need to do is simply tap open your Amazon Chime app. So once you open your Amazon Chime app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. After you tap on the settings option, you need to scroll down below and tap on delete account. Once you do so, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen. So once you're in the bottom of the screen, you will find the yes, I want to close my Amazon account, and hit the close my account option as well. So after doing this, you will receive an email in your mailing address which is needed to be confirmed, and once you do so, your Amazon Chime account will be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.